the Andes and across Patagonia is one of the world's last great whitewater wilderness rivers, Chile's Futaleufu, or simply known as Fu. There is an inner cleanse that occurs when we are removed from our chaotic and fast-paced lives. Things we may have put unnecessary emphasis on all of a sudden become trivial and frivolous. Technology, social media, and other man-made conveniences become heavily questioned on the contentment they may have on our long-term health. The Futaleufu is one of those far-removed and isolated corners of the earth which positively forces us to become completely in the present. It also allows us to open our eyes and appreciate the natural beauty that constantly surrounds us in day-to-day living.
In a warm South American welcome, bienvenido. So bienvenidos, salud. Salud.
The Bio Bio camp on the Futaleufu was one of those places that we knew we were going to be able to hit the reset button. The Futaleufu River is known in whitewater circles as one of the most stunning and challenging rivers in the world. It is an exhilarating whitewater power storm with a life force of turquoise champagne-like water. Riding the spine of this river as it flows through the isolated portion of the glaciated Chilean Andes is an unparalleled experience. In this magical place, glacial lakes are connected by the pristine Futaleufu River, which cuts through the most dramatic part of the Andean mountain range. It was day one and we were ready to get our first taste of the Futaleufu River.
Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Are there sharks?
We're ready to send it, that's for sure.
I don't know, jacuzzis? Or the jacuzzi after the rest of everything?
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
We got Magic, Disco, GI, Thunder.
Feel great. Play it is called, but it sounds left and try. Let's try it. Yeah, let's do that this time. Bueno líneas.
What do you think of the first rapids? Pretty fun? Good little warm up. Dave?
Awesome. Great day.
Psyched? 10 out of 10? Or about to hit the 10 out of 10? Where are you going, Dave?
Get ready. Gonna pick a ball on the river. On the river.
We enjoyed that one. That was fun.
Awesome day. Good being with my boys.
Magic. The river's magic.
That was insane.
just as good as surfing.
It was fun. Beautiful.
Bueno. Fantástico. Gracias para todo.
Really hard to leave this place. I'm feeling rejuvenated. 110%, yeah?
After a day on the river, your fun does not stop. You get to come back to camp to enjoy saunas, jacuzzis, rope swings, and other numerous activities that bring endless amounts of fun and joy. To top each day, you are honestly fed like kings, with fresh produce from either out the back of the camp or close by. Some of the best meats, vegetables and salads were prepared by the amazing Bio Bio staff.
Hoping for the best but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? 'Cause I don't wanna perish like a faded horse. Youth's like diamonds in the sun, and diamonds are forever.
See ya. Y'all get tired.
Take me to the ruins, aquifers and springs, baby ferns uncurling, every living thing. Be to me a mother, both hands on the wheel.
I've got my helmet, I've got this dry shell that goes over everything, life jacket, river shoes I guess you'd call them, a shirt that goes under the wetsuit, and then they provide you with the wetsuits. So mine's seen better days for sure. But yeah, these are our epic rooms, a little messy, but one bed here, one bed here.
Come on over here. You're gonna want to see this. Definitely. This is a flock of wild Patagonian duckies, rarely seen in this number. They usually make their habitat out in the river, stuck on rocks. Now these duckies, they make their home in this Patagonian glacially fed mountain stream. It's flowing about bone-crushing speeds towards the Pacific Ocean. Oh shit!
Oh yeah, that's a big day. I was in the water more than out of the water. But it was super fun.
Dude, beautiful. So fun. Way more fun than I could have imagined.
Good, went good. It was fun. Any swims?
No.
just dominated. No swims, dude.
It's hard to stay in them, to be honest. And a few of those rapids there, we once you get stuck on the rock, it's game over. But no, we did pretty good, I think, for the first time. Most afternoons we were given the option to either kayak, fly fish, hike, run, ride, or other activities which we could learn and try and grow on during the trip. I personally chose kayaking, the boys chose fly fishing, both were absolutely amazing. We're here with Matt, the angler of all anglers. He's using his baity, which seems to be a feather.
Yes, angler, that's me.
Feather of the cottage bird.
Oh, locked up at the technical time. You probably don't know because you're not an angler.
A true angler. The angler in his natural habitat. It was my personal goal for this trip to try and get the roll on the kayak down. It didn't go too well to start off with.
I get you.
You're rolling, bro. You're rolling.
That's working!
Oh, yes.
Yeah, win!
Let's go, Dave. What's your horse's name? Spirit. And Matt's is, what's yours? Chichi? Mine is Cocky.
Out on the lawn, a couple of kids and a couple of dogs. Work all day to have
What sore?
Just like before I adjusted the stirrup, it was like tweaked.
time ringing on my front porch. A brand new carpet on every floor. And a rope swing tied around a limb of a tall oak tree. It don't sound like much, but it sure is.
As you can see, the ride's a little dusty. Both me and Cocky are a little dirty. Sometimes it's a gift to be alone in this world of interconnectedness. To be alone without being lonely. To see the beauty in solitude and its ability to recharge your soul. This is solitude. Recharge your batteries to update your spirit, refresh your perspectives to upgrade your soul. The Bio Bio Futaleufu camp did exactly this week. We enjoyed every single second of it. The staff members were amazing and super helpful in every single way, and we cannot thank them enough for all they did.